In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a cabin air filter on a Nissan Maxima. It is located on the passenger side of the vehicle in the passenger footwell. Let's get started. We're going to make our way inside the vehicle to the front passenger side. We're going to locate our cabin air filter along the inner part of the center console underneath the glove box. I'm going to run my hand along the center console until I reach the cover right here. I'm going to pull up on this tab and slide the cover out. Set it aside. Now we can pull our filter out. Put your finger under it and just slide it out. And there it is. Now to install our cabin air filter. I'm going to squeeze the ends like this to make installation easier. And make sure the filter is fully inserted. Now let's reinstall our cover. Make sure the side with the little arrows pointing up. Insert it first. And push until you hear the click.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.